Illustrators? Good job. I'm glad to know that you're ready to write today. Okay, we're going to add another piece to our puzzle. So yesterday we added independent writing to our mini lesson. Now we have one more piece of the puzzle, and this piece says share. That's going to be kind of hard because you're at home and I'm here. So you know what? It doesn't matter. We're still going to share. I'll just pick on you during my Zoom to go and get your journal. So make sure you have it handy every day. Now, sharing is the best part because we get to see what you have written about. And I love to see all of your illustrations and I love to hear all of your stories. So I can't wait for you to share. Every day we're going to have one person share with us in our Zoom. Okay. So that leads me to the point of when you're writing a story, I want you to make sure that it's a story you want to share. Don't draw something that you don't want to share. So when you're in your journal, if you're looking through your pages of the pictures you've done, I don't really like this one so much, so I'm not going to share that one. I'm going to make sure I pick something that I do want to share. So today I want to talk about a time when I went to the park. So knowing that I want to share this, I'm going to do a really good job on this picture, and I'm going to take my time. I'm going to work on building my stamina. Remember that word? Those muscles. Show me your muscles. I want you to work on that. So I'm going to take my time. So I'm going to draw the park. And the park has a lot of grass. So I'm going to start with the grass. And I'm going to use the right color that I see at the park because that adds more detail and that looks better. I'm going to draw the slide. I love to go down the slide. The slide is probably my favorite thing at the park. It's so much fun to glide down the slide. Okay, thumbs up if you like to ride the slides too. I really like the slides that have the tunnels over them. Some of those slides are really cool. Okay, so I've drew my slide, and what else? Oh, the swings. I love the swings, so I'm going to add the swings on here too. Thumbs up if you like to swing. Swinging is really fun, especially when you have somebody big who can push you really high. And that's a lot of fun. Okay, let's see. What else was at the park? Oh, you know, there's usually a drinking fountain because it's hot at the park and I have to be able to get a drink. So I've got my little drinking fountain right there. Okay. And then I need to add me in the picture because I was there. I think I'm going to be on the swing. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to be on the swing. So I put my arms there and my legs out because I'm pumping my legs. I hope you know how to pump your legs to get higher and higher on this swing. And I have a big smile on my face because it is so much fun flying in the air, going up and down. I better add some hair too. My hair's going to be flying in the wind. Oh, it got kind of black, but that's okay. Yep, see, my hair looks a little crazy, but that's because the wind blows it all over the place. Okay, now I'm going to add some more. I'm going to keep working on my stamina, but I'm going to go ahead and stop and give you time to keep adding to yours. So I want you to work on those muscles, build that stamina, and see if you can write for at least 4 minutes today. Yesterday we did 3 minutes, so I colored 3 squares. Today, see if you can write for 4 minutes and make sure that it's a story you can tell us about tomorrow. So after you draw your picture, I want you to have a story in your mind so that if I choose you to share, you are ready to share to the class. All right, have a good day and I'll see you later.